For the percentage you are going to calculate, you can consider let it be 100. If they asked for the decrease, same formula with percentage decrease is equals to decrease divided by initial value into 100. Percentage error in the result is nothing but initial value. Initial value was 10x. You are going to take it as error means 9.9x. You are going to take it as. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics Faculty at Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So in the last session what we have learned 2 markers of the chapter is nothing but here also the chapter number 11, percentage profit and loss, and here session number 3 you are going to have. And what are the topics you are going to study under this session is nothing but application problems on percentage itself, and then also here very important 3 marker problems. Okay, then we'll move on to the problems. So what is the formula you are going to use it as? According to the problem they have asked, we are going to use the percentage increase and the percentage decrease formula. What is the percentage increase? Percentage decrease formula is given by percentage increase is equals to, you are going to have it as the error, that means increase divided by initial value into 100. Similarly, you are going to have, if they asked for the decrease, same formula with percentage decrease is equals to decrease divided by initial value into 100. Okay, so these formula we are going to use it here for calculation. We'll move on to the first problem of the 3 marker what they have asked. Monthly income of a Shreya, Akshata and Pooja was increased from 25,000, 22,000 and 15,000 to 35,000, 26,000 and 18,000 respectively. What was gain percentage is maximum? So therefore here Shreya was increased from 25 to 35, Shreya, correct? And then Akshata from 22 to 26, and then Pooja from 15 to 18. So what will be the initial value of Shreya, Akshata and Pooja? Shreya is 25,000 initial value, Akshata is 22,000 and then Pooja is nothing but 15,000, isn't it? So therefore, what is the percentage maximum? Gain. So percentage increase will be is equals to increase of Shreya will be equal to, you are going to have it as, what is that? 35,000 minus 25,000. So initial value was 25,000 into 100. So the answer you are going to get for this one, 35 minus 25 is 10,000 divided by 25,000 into 100. After calculating this, you are going to get 40%. Therefore, the Shreya gain was 40% when was increased from 25,000 to 35,000. Understood? Okay, we need to calculate now the increase of what? Akshata. So therefore, percentage increase of Akshata is equals to what she was. First it was 22,000. So and next it was 26,000. So 26,000 minus 22,000 divided by 22,000 was the initial value into 100. So therefore 26 minus 22 is 4,000 divided by 22,000 into 100. You are going to get the answer for this nothing but 18%. So Akshata was gained for 18%. Okay, we'll move on to the next, that is nothing but Pooja calculation. Percentage increase of Pooja is equals to First, finally, she was raised to 18,000 minus initially was 15,000 divided by initial value into 100. So here you are going to have it as 18 minus 15 is 3,000 divided by 15,000 is into 100, which is nothing but 20%. So Pooja was increased by 20%. Understood? So this was the problem they've asked, and this will be the answer of Shreya, Akshata and Pooja gain percentage. I hope you understood this problem. We'll move on to the next problem. What was the next problem they've asked is, Ritu's salary was increased by 10% and then again by 5%. If the present salary is 9,240 rupees, what was Ritu's previous salary? So I am going to consider here, let X be the Ritu's salary. Okay? That means Ritu's previous salary. So therefore, previous salary plus, what is that? 10% of previous salary plus 5% of this previous. That means 5% of 10% of X. Correct? You are going to have previous of this one. Previous salary should be added for the 5% because it was increased by 5%, isn't it? So therefore, 10% of X plus X is equals to how much? 9,240. Now let me calculate this one. I hope you understood this. Okay. That means the original income was X be the Ritu's salary I have considered. So X plus 10% of X means 10 divided by 100 into X plus 5% of 10% of X means 5% is 5 divided by 100 into 10% means 10 divided by 100 into X plus X is equals to 9,240. Now let me calculate this one by taking 100 as the LCM. So what happens to this condition? You are going to have it as 100x plus, see, 100 into x is 100x plus 10x divided by 100 plus, you are going to have it as 5 by 100 as it is. I am going to write it into, so inner side it will be 100x, again the LCM is 100. So numerator we are having 10x divided by plus 100x, correct, divided by 100 is equals to 9,240 rupees, right? So what we have taken is right now. Now what you can take? These two you can take common. So therefore 100x plus 10x is 110x divided by 100. If you take common, here 1 is remaining plus here 5 by 100 is remaining is equals to 9,240. Now you again take 100 as the LCM. So therefore you are going to get 110x divided by 100 into 100 into 1 is 100 plus 5 divided by 100 is equals to 9,240. Now we are going to have 100 plus 5 is 105 into 110x. So therefore you are going to have 110x into 105 is equals to 9,240 into 100 into 100. Correct? Both this denominator 100 will come to this side. That's it, yes. Now by multiplication you are going to get the answer will be is equals to x will be is equals to 9,240 into 100 divided by 110 into 105. So the answer for this after the calculation is nothing but 8,000. So answer for this question is nothing but rupees 8,000. Previous salary was what? 8,000. Okay. Okay dears, we'll move on to the next question. What was the next question they've asked? The cost of a TV increased by 20% and then decreased by 5%. Find the percentage increase in the original cost. Isn't it? I am going to take it as let X be the cost of the TV. So therefore, X was increased by 20%, right? So therefore, X plus 20% of X. So which will be is equals to, you are going to have it as X plus 20% means 20 divided by 100 into X. If you take LCM, 100X plus 20X is 120X divided by 100, right? So 120X by 100. Again, it was decreased by how many? 5%. Therefore, again, decreased by 5%, which will be is equals to 120X divided by 100 minus 5% of 120X divided by 100. Now you can calculate this. 120X divided by 100, you can take common 1 minus, it will be 5%, which is 5 divided by 100. Therefore, 120X divided by 100 is 100 minus 5 is 95 divided by 100, correct? If you take LCM, 100 into 1 is 100. 100 minus 5 is 95 divided by 100. So if you calculate this one, you are going to get 114X divided by 100, which is nothing but 14%. So this much percentage was the cost of the TV decreased or percentage having. Okay. I hope you understood this question. We'll move on to the next question. The next question is, the number X is mistakenly divided by 10. So here they have given number X is mistakenly. So therefore, instead of mistakenly divided by 10, instead of being multiplied, they need to multiply, but they have taken mistakenly divided by. So therefore, when X is multiplied by 10, the number will be is equal to 10x. Now, when x is multiplied by the 10, 10x. When the number is divided by 10, what it will be? X divided by 10. So, when x is divided by 10, it will be x by 10. Correct? So therefore, difference between that two is nothing but what? Error. Error is nothing but 10x minus x by 10. So which will be 10 into 10 is 100. 100x minus x is 99x divided by 10. So therefore, you are going to have 9.9x. Correct? This is what the error. Now what is the percentage they have asked? Percentage error in the result is nothing but initial value. Initial value was 10x, you are going to take it as. Error means 9.9x, you are going to take it as, isn't it? So therefore, percentage error will be is equal to error divided by actual value into 100. So therefore, error is 9.9x, actual value was 10x into 100. So therefore, you are going to have 99%. Okay. That's it. XX will get cancelled. You are going to have 99% was the error. Understood? I hope you understood this problem. We'll move on to the next one, dears. Next question they have asked like this, dears. By how much percent should the use of a milk be increased if the price of the milk is decreased by 20% so that the expenditure remains unchanged? So here I am going to take it as, let price of the milk be 100. Okay. And quantity of the milk increased. Quantity of milk, because percentage they have given, I am going to calculate for 100 itself. Quantity of milk be 100. Okay. I am going to consider this. Now, what will be the price of the milk? It is 100 and quantity of the milk is 100. So, total how much? Total will be 100 into 100, which will be is equal to 10,000. correct? You are going to have it as. Now, what will be the, let x be the quantity I am going to consider. Let x be the new quantity, because it is, what was the expenditure remains unchanged means new quantity I am going to take it as new quantity. If x be the new quantity, so price of the new price will be is equals to what? It will be is equals to 80x, because 100 minus 20 is nothing but 80 are going to have it as, isn't it? So therefore, total expenditure will be is equal to 80x, right? Because 100 minus 20% of 100 means 100 minus 20 will be is equals to 80 there, right? Now the expenditure remains unchanged. Expenditure remains unchanged means unchanged is will be is equals to, what is that? 10,000, right? You are going to have total expenditure. Therefore, you are going to have it as 80x is equal to 10,000. X will be is equal to 10,000 divided by 80. So, which will be is equals to 125. So, here, what will be remains unchanged? 125, right? Therefore, the increase in consumption of the milk, therefore, the increase in consumption of milk will be is equal to how much? 125 minus initial was 100, which will be is equal to 25%. That's it, dears. I hope you understood this problem. We'll move on to the next one. What is the next question they have asked, dears? Next question is, the rate of movie ticket was rupees 150. This was reduced by 20% due to the discount in the price. The revenue increased by 20%. What was the percentage increase in the number of viewers? I am going to take it as, let the number of viewers be 100. I am going to consider this, okay? Because for the percentage you are going to calculate, you can consider let it be 100, okay? And then the cost of movie ticket, how much? Movie ticket was 150. So therefore, total for members it will be 100 into 150, which is nothing but 1500, correct? You are going to have it as. I am going to consider let the new revenue be X, okay? So now, after reduction of the price in the ticket, after reduction of price in ticket, it was how much? So you are going to have it as how much it was reduction? So it was increased by 20 and discount in the price, the revenue increased by 20. And then due of what? 20% of rupees 150. Therefore, you are going to have it as 150 minus 20% of 150. So which will be is equal to 150 minus 20 divided by 100 into 150. You can take common of 150. You are going to get the answer 150 into 1 minus 20 divided by 100, which will be is equals to 150 into 100 minus 20 is 80 divided by 100. You are going to get the answer is nothing but 120. Now, what is a new revenue generated? New revenue generated. New revenue generated is equal to how much? 1500 of what? 20%, isn't it? Therefore, 1500 plus 20% of increased 1500. Now, this will be is equal to 1500. You can take common. 1 plus 20% is 20 divided by 100. So, after calculating 120 divided by 100 into 1500, you are going to get the answer is 18,000. Okay. So, what is the number of viewers is equal to? Number of viewers is equals to number of viewers is equals to total revenue divided by cost of each ticket, right? Cost of each ticket was 120. So therefore total revenue was 18,000 divided by 120. So you are going to get the answer for this nothing but 150. But what they have asked, percentage in total number of viewers. So therefore percentage in total number of viewers is equals to what I have taken. I have got 150. Initially was 100, which will be is equals to 50%. So total number of viewers were 60%. I hope you understood these problems and how to calculate when they have asked according to the formula the percentage error. Understood? So thank you dear students. I hope you understood the session how to solve the problems of 3 marker. Thank you dears.